Screwless connection technology by Mennekes offers you the highest degree of comfort and safety for the installation of stationary and mobile plugs and connectors. TwinCONTACT CEE receptacles with spring terminal technology for easy and fast installation. Unscrew the top of the enclosure and take out the receptacle insert. Use the enclosure as a template and draw the markings for the borings. Drill the necessary holes and insert the matching dowels for later fixing. Remove the insulation of the cable. The cable cross-sections are 1.5 to 4 square millimeters at 16 amps and 2.5 to 10 square millimeters at 32 amps. Insert the cable into the enclosure and attach this with the screws on the wall. Remove the insulation of the individual strands. The recommended stripping length is 12 mm at 16 amps and 12 to 18 mm at 32 amps. Insert the receptacle insert back into the enclosure. Now connect the wires according to their marking using the spring terminals. Just insert. Done. Now check all wires for a tight fit. All TwinCONTACT receptacles have double clamps and thus allow easy looping. You can quickly loosen the wires by pressing on the release button. This allows re-establishing the contact at any time. Activate the fuse in the sub-distributor. Check the voltage and the rotary field. Attach the top part of the enclosure and tighten the screws. Tighten the cable gland.